क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि कंपनीज पूरी की पूरी टीम्स को AI से रिप्लेस कर रही हैं? Yeah, you heard that right. Welcome to the future. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI tools that are changing the workforce as we know it. We're talking about how these tools are replacing traditional jobs across industries, from creative fields to tech and everything in between. I'm your name from Unscripted Universe, and if you want to not just survive, but thrive in the age of AI, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, so let's talk video editing. It used to be a skill that took years to master, right? Complex software, expensive equipment. But now, AI tools like Runway ML and Pictory are changing the game. Imagine this. You can edit videos, add subtitles, even remove backgrounds, all without human intervention. These AI tools are getting crazy good, and they're only getting smarter. They can analyze footage, understand context, and make edits that used to require a trained eye. Now, I'm not saying robots are taking over Hollywood just yet, but for businesses, YouTubers, anyone who needs quick, high-quality video content, AI is a game changer. Faster turnaround times, lower costs, it's a no-brainer. So, what does this mean for video editors? Well, it's time to adapt. Learn these AI tools, incorporate them into your workflow. Because the future of video editing is here, and it's powered by AI. Next up, we're talking about the written word. Writers, copywriters. You know the struggle is real, staring at a blank page trying to find the perfect words. But what if I told you AI can do that too? Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper are already writing articles, blog posts, product descriptions, you name it. And honestly, the quality is often indistinguishable from human-written content. It's actually kind of scary. But here's the thing, AI writers are fast. Like, really fast. They can churn out content in minutes, which would take humans hours, even days. And they don't need coffee breaks or sleep. So what's the takeaway? Well, for one, AI can be a writer's best friend. Use it for research, generate ideas, even overcome writer's block. But more importantly, focus on what AI can't replicate. Your unique voice, your creativity, your ability to connect with your audience on a human level. Okay, let's talk about voiceovers. That smooth, captivating voice that brings a script to life. It's an art form, right? But guess what? AI is coming for that too. Tools like 11 Labs can generate incredibly realistic voices. We're talking indistinguishable from human voices. Need a deep baritone for your latest explainer video? Done. How about a cheerful, upbeat voice for your commercial? No problem. And here's the kicker. It's not just about the voices themselves. AI can control the pacing, the tone, the emotion. It's like having a whole cast of voice actors at your fingertips. So, for voiceover artists, this is a wake-up call. Embrace the technology. Learn how to use these AI tools to your advantage. Because the future of voiceover is here. And it sounds a lot like, well, AI. Chapter 4. Logo Design. Click. Mine. Alright, so you're starting a new business, a new project. You need a logo, right? Something that captures your brand, your vision. But hiring a designer can be expensive and time-consuming. Enter AI. Websites like Looker, Designs.ai, and even Canva now have AI-powered logo makers. You answer a few questions about your brand, your style, and boom, you get dozens of logo options in seconds. And it's not just logos, we're talking entire brand kits, social media graphics, even marketing materials. AI can handle it all. Now I know what you're thinking. Will AI replace graphic designers altogether? Well, not so fast. AI can handle the technical stuff, but it can't replace human creativity, strategic thinking, and the ability to truly understand a brand's essence. Chapter 5. Web Developers. Code Likenage AI. Building a website used to be a daunting task. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's a lot to learn. But now, AI is making web development accessible to everyone. Tools like Durable, 10Web, and Framer AI can build beautiful, functional websites in minutes. You don't need to write a single line of code. Just answer a few questions, choose a style, and bam, you've got a website. And these aren't just basic, cookie-cutter sites. We're talking e-commerce functionality, mobile responsiveness, the works. So what does this mean for web developers? Well, The demand for basic websites might decrease, but the need for complex, custom solutions will always be there. Focus on mastering the advanced stuff, the stuff AI can't handle yet. Chapter 6. Virtual Assistants. Boss CB Smart. Scheduling meetings, managing emails, booking flights, being organized is hard work. But what if you had a personal assistant who worked 24/7 and never complained? Well, say hello to AI virtual assistants. Tools like Motion and Clockwise are like having a super efficient assistant in your pocket. They can handle your calendar, your to-do list, your travel arrangements, you name it. And the best part? They learn your preferences over time. So the more you use them, the better they get at anticipating your needs. Now, this doesn't mean human assistants are obsolete, but it does mean that AI is changing the game. So if you're organized and detail-oriented, consider specializing in areas where human interaction is still essential. Hiring the right people is crucial for any company's success, but the traditional hiring process can be a nightmare. Sifting through resumes, conducting interviews, it's time-consuming and often inefficient. But now, AI is stepping in to streamline the hiring process. Platforms like HireVue use AI to screen resumes, conduct initial interviews, and even analyze candidate responses. The result? Faster hiring decisions, reduced bias, and a better candidate experience. Now, I know what you're thinking. Will AI replace HR professionals altogether? Well, not exactly. AI can handle the repetitive tasks, but human judgment is still crucial for evaluating soft skills, cultural fit, and other factors that AI can't fully grasp. Chapter 8. Marketing is all about reaching the right audience with the right message at the right time. But with so many channels and platforms, it can be tough to keep up. But guess what? AI is here to help. Tools like Copy.ai, AdCreative.ai, and Lumen 5 can generate entire marketing campaigns, from ad copy to visuals to landing pages. And it's not just about creating content. AI can also analyze data, track performance, and even optimize campaigns in real time. So for marketers, this is both a challenge and an opportunity. Embrace the AI tools, learn how to use them effectively, and focus on the strategic, creative aspects of marketing that AI can't replicate. Chapter 9. Closing deals is the name of the game in sales, but it's a high-pressure job that requires strong communication skills, persuasion, and a deep understanding of customer psychology. So can AI really help with that? Well, tools like Gong.io and Lavender are already changing the sales game. They use AI to analyze sales calls, identify areas for improvement, and even suggest winning pitches in real time. Imagine having a virtual sales coach listening to every call, providing instant feedback and helping you close more deals. That's the power of AI in sales. Now, I'm not saying AI will replace salespeople entirely, but it will definitely change the skills you need to succeed. Focus on building relationships, understanding customer needs, and providing personalized solutions that AI can't replicate. Chapter 10. So, we've seen how AI is transforming industries left and right. From video editing to sales, AI is changing the game. Now, you might be thinking, is my job safe? Will a robot replace me someday? Well, here's the thing. AI is a tool. It's powerful. It's evolving rapidly, but ultimately, it's a tool. The real question is, will you be replaced by someone who knows how to use that tool effectively? The future belongs to those who adapt, who learn new skills, and who embrace the power of AI. If you want to future-proof your skills and income, start learning these AI tools now. Experiment, explore, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Want to stay ahead of the AI revolution and future-proof your skills? Then hit that subscribe button. This is your channel for navigating the future of work. Subscribe to Unscripted Universe for powerful insights, tools, and tutorials every week.